Welcome back. Continuing the news. We begin this segment with news on the political scene. There's more trouble brewing in the People's National Party. This as Vice President Damian Crawford unleashed a series of criticisms against St. Anne Southeast Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna and Party President Mark Golding in a leaked telephone conversation being circulated online. Shamela Pullen has the details.
A leaked voice note that has been circulating on social media with PNP's Vice President Damian Crawford criticizing PNP President Mark Golding and St. Anne Southeast Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna may open up a can of worms for the party. In the 23-minute-long voice note, Mr. Crawford said Mr. Golding's presidency will only be fitting for the next 2 years.
I mean, Mark is the most ready for the next 2 years. But the election is not the next 2 years. And we can't change again.
Yeah.
That's the unfortunate reality we have faced. Nobody can from 2 years time come say, oh, we're ready now. So I say, no, but we never go from them long time there.
He says Mr. Golding is very capable of leading the party. However, the people's opinions are different.
You have a race at some, so them call them medley relay. One man won a 400, one man won 200, and then the next man won a 800.
Mm-hmm.
If you put the 400 man from the 800, you definitely not going to make it enough. Mark is a very good 400-meter runner. Very capable, etc. But the people are of the opinion, so we need a handjob.
As a result, he believes the party could have a hard time winning the local government election, especially because, according to him, the PNP president may have fall heir to Peter Bunting's enemies.
The problem is that all of one PNP, I say, yo, we're not going with Mark. You understand? Because of that animosity in their mind. So, Mark unfortunately inherits Bunting's enemy.
The PNP VP adds that he's the most committed to the party's ideology and then went on to downplay Lisa Hanna's popularity. Ms. Hanna lost the PNP presidential election.
I am the most committed to the ideology of the party. The most. And when people say Lisa popular, she has never gotten the cheer when we come on PNP meeting. She has never gotten the adoration when we get when we in the regular people. Never. Lisa not get the cheer where Dayton Campbell get when he reach our PNP. Mm-hmm. So how that popularity in a transition to anything else?
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.